Guys, I have great news for you, and you. Do you know you can apply for a $1,000 grant? Do you need money? If the answer to this question is yes, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Do you know that you can apply for a $1,000 grant? Yes, so up for grabs for you. If this is something you're interested in, don't touch the dial. If you're new here, introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys have a special place in my heart. Like, thank you. You guys are amazing. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me? You have direct access to me, 100% access to your girl. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. Without further ado, guys, yes, let me also introduce myself while you introduce yourselves. You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself. If you're new to this channel, I want to know you. You think I want to? I want to know you. I want to meet you. I'm genuinely building a community on this channel. Go ahead and let me know what your name is, where you are watching from, what do you do for a living, how did you find my video, who sends my video to you. Let me know so I can thank them personally. So my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things money. Yeah, so it's all about helping you to we are helping you to make that big bag. Yeah, so it's all about getting the bag right here on this channel. So let's just get right into today's topic: how to apply for this micro grant of $1,000. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, one of the main advantages of seeking out grants for your startup is that it can provide you with access to funding that you would not have been able to get through any other means. And if you are able to successfully secure a grant, guess what? It will give you that financial boost that you need to get your business up and running. Additionally, grants are also there to help you build your credibility for your startup, as it shows that you've been able to secure funding from external sources. Guess what? The Hustlers $1,000 micro grant is here to help empower small businesses across the United States of America. Now, are you a passionate entrepreneur with a big dream and a small business in need of support? Guess what? You can apply for this grant. What would you do with a $1,000 grant? These are the questions to expect when you fill in the application. You're welcome. Now, guess what? Deja Vu Parker of WBLS, in collaboration with her Sweet Spot, proudly presents the Hustlers Micro Grants, which is a remarkable opportunity for small business owners like you to receive the boost that you deserve. Their mission is simple: to provide grants and invaluable resources to promising small businesses across the United States, with applications open each month. You can apply for these grants every month, which means this video never expires. The process is straightforward and dynamic, and here is how it works. Every month, their dedicated committee selects a deserving grant recipient from the pool of submitted applications. And for you to be eligible for the current month's grant, you must follow the Deja Vu Show on all social media platforms at the official Deja Vu Show, and ensure that your application is submitted by 11:59 p.m. on the last day of that month. It's available every month. Excitingly, the grant winners will be announced during the Hustler Steve segment on the Deja Vu Show. Who are the people that should apply for the Hustlers Micro Grants? Now, guess what? It's pretty easy, simple, and straightforward. If you're an enterprising individual and you're actively registered in the United States and your business has a gross revenue of less than $1 billion, this grant opportunity is tailor-made for you. Now, they invite entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds and industries to seize this chance to propel their businesses to new heights. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Apply today for the Hustlers Micro Grant. Let them help your entrepreneurial dreams become a reality. As always, guys, I have done all the homework for you. Just head over to the link in my description and start to apply for this grant as quickly as possible. You are welcome. You see, it's super easy, pretty easy and straightforward to apply for these grants. Applying for grants is actually easier than you think. The hardest part is researching the grants, which I have done for you guys. Guys, I slept at 3:30 a.m. yesterday night. So you see, it is hard to actually find these grants, but of course, as long as you're connected to this channel, so long as you're subscribed to my channel and you have your notification bells turned on, I've done all the legwork for you. Yes, all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is just tune into this channel Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. I share grants information. Yes, I also share other ways to make money online on this channel. So if you want more of grants videos, let me know in the comments. But if you want more of how to make money online videos, let me know as well. I'm working so hard for you guys. I'm rooting for you. And just so you know, I'm your girl, your host, your friend, your bestie. And just so you know as well, this is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. Please do well to like this video so that YouTube will send it to more people, and also do well to share with your friends and your community members. Share with your, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share this video in your community, your village members, your church members, your Facebook friends, your WhatsApp group. Share with your mosque members, the witches in your village and what have you, so that they can stop beefing you. You know how it is on this channel, right? So go ahead and let me know if you have any questions for me in the question, and if you have any feedback for me as well, let me know in the question. And if you want me to do a research look to your specification, let me know as well. I'm here, I'm all ears, and I'm working hard for you guys. And yes, to all of my Patreon members, Kilo De Gongono, thank you once again. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, like I said, you have full access to me, 100% access to me. You can book a free consultation with me, and we can discuss all things money, business, grants, everything in between. I'm your girl, your host, your friend, your bestie. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. This grants is actually available on a rolling basis, on a monthly basis, and please take advantage of it. No matter what time of the year you're watching this video, I've got you covered. You can always apply. Also go to my YouTube video. Go to my YouTube channel and click on my videos and start to binge watch all of them one after the other. Good thing is a lot of the grants I share with you guys on this channel are actually available on a rolling basis, which means they're available monthly or quarterly or even yearly. So go ahead and check out my previous videos and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. As always, I've got you guys covered. If you have any question for me, let me know. Please go ahead and still apply, even if you think that you don't qualify for these grants. Just apply. I am rooting for you. If I can win grants, anybody else can win grants too. Applying for grants is not rocket science. I see a lot of people ask me in the comments, hey, how do I apply for grants? I don't know how to apply for grants. I don't know how to fill in applications. Hello, they will request for your name. What do you do? How much do you need? What do you need the money for? That's it. You don't need complicated answers. As long as you have a business or even a business idea. Some of the grants I share on this channel don't even require you to have a business duly registered before they can grant you, before they can give you a grant. So go ahead and apply. Nothing is stopping you. The worst you get is a no. And there's no application fee tied to these grants, majority of these grants. So why not apply? The only thing you lose is the time that you spend applying for these grants. The worst you get is a no. And the best you get is a yes, which means you're going home with $10,000, $50,000, $100,000. There are lots of grants that you can take advantage of that I am sharing with you guys on this channel. So make it a day to join me every single day. Yes, join me every day on this channel, because there are lots of videos that I turn out like every single time. Don't even sleep on it. Don't wait. No sleeping, no darling. You are welcome. And if you win any grants by virtue of watching any of my videos, please send me a 1-minute video page detailing how you found the grants by watching my videos. Yes, let's encourage other people to also apply for grants. Do not just apply for one grant and cross your legs. Go ahead and apply for multiple grants, because you are on your way to winning a lot of grants. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Go ahead and watch this video right here.